In Neptune's rings, we're using 9 different semi-precious stones and 2 colors of handmade Japanese Baroque pearls. The rough material of the semi-precious stones are sourced from different countries around the world. Choosing the 9 semi-precious stones for the Neptune's rings has been quite a journey. I have been pulled by the energy and the beauty of the stones, the colors and the patterns that are in the natural form of the stones. It has taken hundreds of thousands of years, and in some cases millions of years, for these colors and patterns to be created, and I truly find it magical. Each cut stone is unique, and each one attracts a different person. It is not only the color and the pattern that attracts a person to itself, but also the qualities that each stone carries.